Welcome to Mr. Hubel's classroom. Today we're going to be looking at addition with partitioning. So we're going to be adding 25 and 53. When we use partitioning, we break both these numbers up into their tens and their units. 25 is 20 plus 5, and 53 is 50 plus 3. So you'll recognise this as expanded notation. 20 and 5 is the same as 25, and that's being added to 50 and 3, which is 53. So with the partitioning model, what we do is we add the tens together, 20 plus 50, and then we add the ones together, which is 5 plus 3. 20 plus 50 gives us 70, 5 plus 3 gives us 8, 70 plus 8 is 78, which is our answer. So good luck with using partitioning for your addition, and we'll see you next time on Mr. Hubel's Classroom.